Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a C program to read and write a character. In this program we are going to receive a single character from the user and we are going to print the same onto the console, that is on the monitor. So let us write the preprocessor directives hash include in Angular brace. We'll write standard input output .h header file, and the next preprocessor directive is hash include in Angular brace. We'll write console input output .h header file. Now let us write void main function curly open brace, and here I am going to write char ch. So ch is a variable of type character. Next we'll write clr scr is a function which is used to clear the screen. Now let us ask the user to enter the character using printf function. In a double quotation mark I'm going to write enter the character, colon, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon, and now we are going to receive the character from the user through keyboard using get char function. So this is going to receive and initialize to ch variable. Next we are going to write printf statement. In a double quotation mark I'm going to write inputted character is. So whatever the character is inputted by the user will be printed as it is. So here we have used get char function. In the similar way, in order to display the value stored in a variable ch, we are going to write put char. So we'll write put char, and inside the round bracket we are going to pass ch argument. Next we'll write get ch function curly closing brace. Now let us take an example. Once we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter the character. So I'm going to write enter the character. Here you can enter any of the character, that is only single alphabet or digit or special symbol you can enter. For example, I am going to enter capital H. So this is stored in ch. Okay, then it is going to print inputted character is. Inputted character is. Then using putchar ch we are going to print the same character entered by the user as h. Now let us run this program one more time. Let us consider this is run 1. Next I am going to write run 2. So once again we are going to type a character once the program asks the user to enter the character. In this case I'm going to enter 5. So 5 is what? It is a digit, but it is treated as character now. So ch is holding 5. Next inputted character, it is going to print inputted character is 5. So we'll write run 3. So one more time we are going to run this program. Again it will ask the user to enter the character. So this time I'm going to put question mark. Okay, so here ch is holding the special symbol question mark, and then it is going to print inputted character is. Here using putchar, whatever the value stored in ch is holding question mark, so it is going to print question mark only. Okay, yes, let us run this program. For that I will take you to my laptop screen.
Here you can see I have already written this program in Turbo C++ compiler. To save your time, let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9. Here it is showing success, that indicates there is no error. I'm going to press enter. Now let us run this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here it is printing enter the character. For example, I'm going to print capital H and then press enter. So inputted character is capital H. Now let us run this program one more time by pressing Ctrl F9. Here I'm going to enter digit 5 and then press enter. Inputted character is 5. Let me run one more time, and now it is asking again enter the character. This time I'm going to type question mark and I'll press enter. Inputted character is question mark. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.